not visible actually. Like, have you shared the screen, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. अभी दिख रही है? मैम स्क्रीन दिख रही है मेरी?
Nee. Um, oh, it's already started. Yeah, ma'am, it's actually already started. You can start now.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, the screen is visible right now?
Yeah, I think the students can view the screen. Yeah, it's visible only. Yeah, ma'am, it's visible. You can start.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, all. So, again, the continue with the last session. In the last session, previous session, we learned about the labels. How can we create the labels through the, through the mail merge feature. So just like brush up for that. If you want to create the label, then first of all, you have to click on the start mail merge and there is an option of labels. While selecting the labels, you have to edit the label because you want to set the margins according to your sticker sheet, whatever you have the sticker sheet in your printouts, in your printer. Then there is an option of details. And if you have the sticker sheets and all the parameters are written over the packet. Okay, all the parameters are over the written over the packets. Then you have to create the new label. From here, you want to create the new label. And everything, whatever the written in your sticker sheets packet, you should set according to that. Okay, but if not, then here are the vendors who are the vendor of the below mentioned list. For example, suppose the vendor of the this list is Microsoft, okay, or other custom. This is the my created, but you can select from here Microsoft. And Microsoft 30 per page sticker sheet is available in the market. And details, in the details, you can change the parameters over here. Okay. For example, you want the left margin should be reduced. You want the top margin should be reduced. You want this pitch. This is the vertical pitch. Vertical pitch should be reduced. So here is an option vertical pitch. Okay. And here is the option of the top margin. You want to reduce the top margin. You want to reduce the side margin. Okay. And the vertical, after the vertical page, there is an option of height, label height and label width. You want to increase the label width. See, it is continuously showing you the preview. It is continuously showing you the preview, and number across means number of columns you want 4 and number of rows you also want 4. Okay, and then press OK. After OK, like it is showing you the label size and the whatever the number across and the down does not fit in the paper size. So you should change the paper size A4. Then press OK. Still it is the problem is there. So you can reduce the height. And width is correct. Vertical pitch. Then OK. Is still some problem. Then horizontal pitch. You should reduce the label width because it is not fit in the A4 paper size. Now it is correct. Now you have your page is divided into table. It looks like a label. So you want from here, just in a again mailing, there is an option of label. And you should just edit your label. For example, and then some pin code, and then new doc. That's it. So this is the way how you can create the labels. Okay. This is the way how you can create So I'm sure the label is clear. Now the thing is that in case I want to create this label of different contents. For example, this is the label of the same contents like IT training ICMI Kolkata branch, Kolkata and so and so and so and so. But I want to create this label should be for every label should have the different student address. Okay. So just close it. Don't save it because this is not the original document. Original document you have. See, this is the original document you have. Now, in that case, you have to click here. Select a recipient. Don't use this label, select a recipient. Select a recipient, then use existing list. For example, suppose, okay, I'm showing you the list, whichever I am having. It should be in a database. Database means it should be in a table format. You cannot like create a database in the Word, Excel, MS Access, SQL Server, or any kind of database. Okay. For example, I am having this database, and here I am having the sales representative number, and I want to create the labels of these persons. Or for example, again, I should open a new. Next is have the student. Okay. In the downloads, I am having the student database. I should search. Okay, no matter. I'm going to use this option, this label, this sheet also. Okay, so this is the sales representative sheet of the sample workbook. In sample workbook is stored on downloads advanced 49. So I should select from here downloads advanced 49, and there is an option of sample. Okay. From here, you should select the sales representative. I told you now, sales representative. Now press OK. But only it is giving me the next record, So you should check in a mailing, all the options are highlighted. For example, insert merge field. So which you want to insert first, you want to insert the sales representative number. See, these are the column headings in the Excel sheet. So here you want to insert the next, that is the sales representative first, then again next you want to insert the sales representative last, then enter. Again you want to insert the commission, and also you want to insert the salary. Okay, and at the end you want at the like beginning of the like label you want to insert some picture also. So you can insert, but in the next I will give you the explanation of the picture. So please do not forget to click on the update labels and finish in merge. Edit individual document. Okay. Directly you can take the printout. See how many pages you have, you can check. See the number of labels is how many number of labels you can check. Yeah. Is it? So this is the way how you can create the labels using the mail merge. One more time I am going to tell you. First of all, it's from very start. First of all, when you open the Word, new Word document, then there is an option of mailing. In a mailing, we already learned how can we create the same content, labels of the same contents. But now I don't want to create the labels of the same contents. So first, select a label. Same thing, you can edit from here, details, and then everything is ready because I already edited. So it's by default, it saves it. Then I press OK. Now, after that, there is an option of select a recipient. Use an existing list where I saved my list. I saved my list in the here. Then there is an option of sales representative sheet. Then press OK. Then first you want to insert sales representative number. Then if you want to insert here also, then comma sales representative first. Then comma sales representative tapes last. Then again enter, and you want to insert a commission, comma you want to insert the salary also. And top of the label you want to insert the CMA logo. So there is an option of insert picture. This device, I am having the CMA logo. See, here is the option of CMA logo. If you wish, then you can reduce the height and the width also. Then if you want to format this label, then before like updating it, just format it. For example, I want, okay, it's a 12 size, but I want to reduce the line spacing. So before and after, line spacing is not there. Yes. And then update label. There is the option of update label. And then finish and merge. Whether you want to take the printout, then directly print out. If you want to send the email messages, then directly send email messages or edit individual document. And we want all records, then okay. See, everything is here. Is it? Okay. Anybody have some doubt? If have, then please write down in the question answers. Otherwise, I'm going to move ahead. Okay. Any question? Any question? Bhargavi, what you want to ask? Bhargavi, what you want to ask? Write down, please. I don't know. Recording classes will be available, but I don't know on which date or like how you will get. Definitely, ma'am will send you. Ma'am will coordinate you, right? I'm the trainer. I don't have the answers for these kind of questions. Please. Recording classes will be available as per the institute, like schedule recording classes will be available. Okay. Please concentrate on the class right now. Tarika. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. So please like have you like learn how I can create the labels of the different persons? Okay, so we are moving ahead. Now the next is, instead of label, you want to create the word letter. Instead of label, you want to create the letter. So first let me close this. Now file. Then, okay, before that I should open the one student list. Okay, so that I'll give you the more clarification. Okay, so This time we will check how can we create a letter using the mail merge option. A single letter and then multiple students' name. So for example, to the students, this is to inform. This is just a sample letter, okay? This is just a sample, so don't like relate it with the practicals. Okay, practical thing. So thanks from okay. Now I want to send this letter to everybody. Okay, but it is not like that every time I need to create this letter. Only the name should be here. So I can take the start main method. Now this time instead of label, you should select the letters. You should select the letters, then select the recipient, use an existing list. And there is an option of existing list. And I am having the existing list on here. And then okay. Now sales representative, because I am having the names in the sales representative. And then okay. Now I want to insert here the sales representative first, comma, name. Just assume this is a student name. Okay. And then finish and merge. See, still I'm having only one page. Still I'm having only one page. The moment I click here, the edit individual document, okay, then I will get how many pages? Check. See, for every student name, I'm having the pages. I'm having the pages. So this is the pretty thing regarding the mail merge. This is a very good option and which is very much useful in the offices because only one time you need to create a letter. And if you wish to send to, suppose you have the 500 clients and you want to send same message to 500 clients. So it is not possible to edit 500 clients one by one, copy, paste, copy, paste. So it will take time. But instead of that, use mail merge. Is it clear? Is it clear? Recordings available on same link. Okay. Is it? Anybody wants to know like anything else regarding the mail merge? Feature of mail merge. Soumik, which feature, label or letter? Soumik, which feature, label or letter? Dipankar, also you should like clarify which feature of mail merge because mail merge have, I told you about the mail merge. Two features have that one is label and second one is letter. Just answer me. Letter. Okay, Soumik. Okay. Okay. So first you should draft the letter. Okay. First you should draft the letter. I draft here the letter. First you should draft the letter and afterward, whatever, suppose, for example, suppose. Okay. See, in the same file, I am having the customer list also. You can check here. See, I am having the customer list. In the same file, I am having the customers list here. And suppose I want to send the notice regarding some payment issue. Okay, regarding some payment issue. For example, I changed, my company changed my payment platform. My company changed my payment platform. Before that, it was Google Pay, but now it is not like that. You have to, like, I want to send the notice to the all the customers. I change my platform, and instead of using the Google Play, please transfer the funds, and then I want to mention my bank account. Okay, so how I can, so first customers. Okay, first you should draft the email. First you should draft the letter to the customer, and here the customer name should be there. Online transactions. Related to your invoices previously. Company was accepting the payment through the Google Pay or Phone Pay. Okay. Please note that now the platform has been changed. Has been changed. You have to transfer money through net banking. Okay. Net banking. Find here the bank accounts details. Okay. So bank name, that is Bank of Maharashtra. Account number, and IFSC code. Okay. So please do the same the payment. Okay. So this is the letter I draft, and I need to send every customer. I need to send every customer. Now every customer name should be opposite here. Now first start mail merge, then there is an option of letters. Then select the recipient, use an existing list. Now this time I should select the customer sheet. Okay, but first downloads, then locate the book, and from here you should select the customer. Now when you select the customer, you can edit from here. You can untick some customers here also. Like suppose those customers who you don't want to send the letter, then just untick it. Otherwise, okay. Then insert merge field. Greeting lines also, there is a greeting lines. Address block is there. So suppose you want to insert a greeting line here. Then insert merge field, customer number and company name. First name, then company. Then there is an option of finish and merge. See, dear Maru, Igenia, 10,000 Mario. That is the company name. See how many pages you have. Number of the pages will be according to the number of customers. How many customers I am having? I am having 314 customers. So it creates 314 pages. 314 pages. Is it clear? I'm sure like the students who are asking, please repeat the feature. I'm sure now you can check. Still have some problem, please? Should I move ahead? I'm sure the mail merge is completely learned by the students. Label in the letters. Understood. Very good. No. We should not save each page separately to send the individual. No, what is the need for that? Amit, what is the need to send the each page separately to send to individual customers? See, this is not a file which you need to send. Okay, this is a file which you need to take the printout or you can check the individual file. This is not to send individually HTML format. Amit, I'm sure you are asking about the if you want to send it through the internet, right? So for that, you should not see there is an option. Okay, there is an option for that. I'm going to say no, not saying it. There is an option for that. You need it should be in a HTML format. If you want to send it through the email message, then email messages. Then for that you should have the all email IDs of the customer. Okay, I'm editing there. Edit recipient list, and then I should create here the email IDs. Okay, for example, just a minute. Wait. I got the question, Amit. I got your question. Okay, now I should have the email addresses over here. Email addresses. For example, just I'm going to make the email addresses. Okay, see, I'll tell you all the techniques according to for the Excel. Okay, so let it be. I created the email addresses in a copy of sample. Okay. Now I should select from here the use existing list copy of sample. And then same thing customer. But there, when I finish here, na, so I don't take a print or send email messages. And send email in the only in that case you can send the email if you have the Outlook configured. And I'll tell you in this platform also, I will tell you about the Outlook configure or Outlook, how to configure the Outlook. And then subject line, payment information, and press OK. Then directly it will send your email one by one, page one by one. See, it is sending the email addresses. Though all the emails are not correct because I have formed samples. So all will be failed. Is it clear? Amit? Now I told you how you can send the email from the Word also. See, 314 pages, 314 mails will be there. But for that, you need to configure the Outlook. Amit, is it clear? Answer me, Amit. Okay, now you can check my Outlook because my Outlook is already configured. You can check my Outlook. All the emails are stored in my Outbox. You can check. My Outlook is opening. Now every page is mailed. Every page is a mail. Okay, every page assume as a single file. Outlook is busy, so that's why it is not opening. See, everything is in Outbox. You can check my Outbox. Here is the option. See, everything is connected through the Word now. See, every email is here to the customer. You can check now. See, from Word, mails will be here. And then on Outlook can send the email. Now, Word cannot send the email. But every file of the Word is going to be mailed through the Outlook. Because Outlook work as an email client. See, 314 files are here. If you click here, now you can check them. See, france@gmail.com to the customer. I written there, but then everything is here. See, but the mails are not correct, huh? Because I already formed through the formula. So it is just an example. Is it? I'm sure you are getting. Is it clear? Those students who are asking about the emails, is it clear? Should I move for the next? Still see every mail is going on. 314. It takes some time now. If I want to stop, then I can stop from here. Because see, Outlook will work as a bridge. First, you have to configure the Outlook and then you can send the email messages through the Word. Okay. Clear? So should I move ahead? Okay. So almost we learn the so many features of the Word. Now we are going to learn about the next feature. In a Word, after completing the mail merge in the mailing, there is an option of completing. After completing the mail merge, there is an option of review. Review is a very simple thing. If you want to review your Word document like spelling and checker, then thesaurus, or you want like thesaurus is what? It's just like a dictionary. For example, I'm going to type here one. Okay. Now, suppose you made some mistake, spelling mistake here. You made some spelling mistake. Okay. Then red wavy line will be there. And for grammatical mistake, suppose here is instead of V capital, you wrote here the V small. So red wavy line and green wavy line are there. Red wavy line for spelling mistake and green wavy line for grammatical mistake. So you can check. There is a shortcut key for that. There is a shortcut key for that. Suppose you want a spelling and grammatical checker, then Alt F7. Alt F7. Then it is showing you spelling and grammatical mistakes. It is showing you the spelling and the grammatical mistakes. See. Then here formal writing, spelling, how many spelling are mistakenly written, that is 2 spelling. Then it is showing you the suggestion. Instead of WHN, you should use the when. Okay. And then here, instead of, or either you can directly right click over here, or you can open the spelling and grammatical checker. Okay. Next is Shift F7. For example, you don't know the coordinated means what. So just select it, Shift F7. This is the shortcut key for thesaurus. See, Shift F7. This is a shortcut key for thesaurus. What is the meaning of coordinated? Corresponding, matched, on time, in step. These are the synonyms of that word, selected words. So from dictionary, it will give you the suggestions. It will give you the synonyms of the selected word. Okay. Now the last is word count. Word count is a nothing. Only it will count how many. See, sometimes you know there are restrictions. For example, in a resume, there are restrictions. You cannot write the summary more than 500 characters or 500 like 50 words. So in that case, there is an option of word count. This is a very good option. Word count. Just select it, then word count. See, pages, words, 42 words are there. Characters without space, 208. Then with space, 249. Paragraph is the first line. Line is 4. 4 lines are there. Select it and word count. This will be helpful while writing the documents in a professional way. Most probably government related documents have some restrictions. You cannot write the more than so and so words. You cannot write the more than so and so characters. It should contain the space or it should not contain the space. So formatting are given. Okay, these are given in the government documents. Is it? So I'm sure you are getting what I'm telling you in this platform. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay. So we are going to the check the next feature. In a word, there is an option of after the preview. Anybody have some doubt related to preview? Anybody have some doubt related to preview? No. Okay. Now the next option in the preview, there is an option of markup. This is a very good option. Please make note. This is a very good option. So I'll give you the same markup and the tracking. Okay, tracking in the markup. First of all, I'm going to give you the explanation on the markup. Markup is what? Show markup or like this is what? Review the pen, filter all the markup. Review the pen on, review the pen vertically. There's no markup. Okay, show markup. Then balloon, show all revision. Nothing is there. Why so? Because before checking this option markup, you should use the tracking. Now, what is a tracking? What do you mean by tracking? Tracking means what? To avoid the editing by someone else, there is an option you can protect your document for the password, with the password. But tracking means you don't want to avoid the changes by someone else, but you want track to check that changes. That is known as tracking. Is it clear? Is it clear? What is tracking? First, listen carefully. To avoid the changes by someone else, you should protect the password. So if you protect the document with the password, then nobody can edit your document. Is it clear? This is the first thing. But you want, no, somebody can change your document, but you want to track that. This is the tracking. Is it clear? Is it clear? Tracking. Tracking. Okay. Once again, I am going to give you the explanation. Okay. See, this is your document. Okay. I should save it. Okay. I should save it. File. Save. I should save it. On desktop, I'm going to save it. Okay. I saved. Now, if somebody open your document, suppose if somebody open your document, then he or she can change your document. Is it clear? He or she can change your document. Is it clear? But you want somebody cannot change your document. Only he can edit your document. He or she can edit your document. So in a tracking, there is an option of track changes, lock tracking, or see for everyone. For everyone, and you want to protect it. You want to protect it. Restrict editing. There are two options. One is block author or restrict editing. Now you want no changes. Here is the option of no changes and limit to formatting to a selection of style. Nobody can change your document formatting also. Allow only this page and no changes. You don't want you want everybody. You don't want everybody should can change your document. So just select from here no changes and everyone. This will be the read only document. Okay. And you should have the password. See, suppose I haven't provide the password. मैंने password नहीं दिया तो वो यहाँ से इसको खोल भी तो सकता है ना, right? So मुझे इसको password देना पड़ेगा. So I should provide the password. I'm giving here the 123 and then okay. अब देखें Control S save कर दिया. Now suppose somebody open my document. So he and she cannot change my document because he is telling me the document is protected for unintentional editing. Is it? The document is protected from unintentional editing. अब यहाँ से जो है edit ही नहीं हो रहा है. Why? क्योंकि I protect my document. But now I'm going to stop protection. I'm going to select the stop protection. Now this time I want somebody can change this, but I can check that changes. So here is the option of track changes. Track changes. Okay, here is the option of track changes. And then I'm going to provide the password. Now close it and then again open it. Now somebody, see, here is an option of, it is giving me the message, track changes is enabled. This document has track changes for everyone. Like means what? Suppose I edit it, then my author will check the changes. See, automatically it is giving me the in a different color. And when I press enter, automatically left side the line is there. Left side the line is there. And suppose after making some changes, I saved it and I close my side, document from my side. Now my author will open the document definitely. So he can, first of all, he can unprotect the document because password he have. So from here he will unprotect the document. Stop protection, he will unprotect. Then he can use the show markup in the balloons. See? Or review pen. See? Kavita Navlani edit. Who ended? Kavita Navlani. Why Kavita Navlani? Because I'm telling you through a single computer now. But if you edit it from another computer, then the name will be there. Computer name will be there because my computer name, my computer has logged through Kavita Navlani. So that's why it is giving me the Kavita Navlani edit. What he added? So and so and so. Now suppose I want the changes should be, this changes should be accepted by me. So I can tracking, accept and move next. See? Then reject and accept. Is it clear? Is it clear? This is a very good option. Believe me, this is a good option to prevent the unauthorized changes or unintentional changes. Is it? This is a very good option, you know, tracking. बहुत अच्छा option है. बहुत अच्छा option है. Is it clear? Should I move for the next? Should I move for the next? Yes, yes, yes. So tracking is clear. Done. Okay. Now moving ahead. Now you can use not only this type of protection. Okay, in this there is an option of, again when you use the restrict protection, there is an option of, suppose only this area you want to edit, not rest. For example, suppose you mention here some date. See, it is showing me the revision, so I should and see. Now I want only this area, the editing should be there. I should off the track before that. Okay, there is a one date 08/2025. Maybe this is the exam date, maybe this is the test date. Now you want only the person can edit this date. So in here, you can select the track changes. Only this area. Only this area. Okay, and here are the option track changes, comments, filling in from, no changes, but track changes. And then, so if you select here now, only you can make the changes in this date. but not here. Is it? Is it? Then block authors is there. Okay. Now, next. I should disable everything so that my document will be normal. Now, next. Now, suppose you want somebody cannot open your document. Somebody cannot open your document apart from you. Other person should not open your document. Then while saving, there is an option. ये dialog box open होता है save में. There is an option of tools. In a tools, there is an option of general option. 1, 2, 3 password I am giving. You can see this is the password to open. Suppose the password to open is, and then password to modify is this one. This is password to open. This is password to modify. Okay. And then, okay. Then reset. Re-enter the password to open and password to modify. Now see, somebody cannot open my document because I protect my document for opening also. I close it. Then from here I should open it. Then it is asking for the password to just a minute. Okay, it should have the documents. Okay, and I'm opening it from the desktop. So I should open it from the document. See, now it is asking for the password. Password to open and password to modify. Two passwords are there. This is password to open. And I don't provide somebody to password to modify. Then he should open in a read only. Now what is read only document? See, changes are there. You can make the changes. You can make the changes, but you cannot save the changes. See, there is option of save. You cannot save it. If you want to save it, then provide the another name. But original document cannot be changed by anybody because you don't want to provide the password to modify. Okay, password to modify and password to open. I'm sure like protection is clear. Is it clear? If somebody have doubt, then please raise the query. Password to open, password to modify. So protection type. Okay, how many protection types are there? Basically, you can protect the document by opening somebody else. Then nobody can open the document if he or she cannot have the passwords. And if you want कि कोई और ओपन कर ले तो उसको आपको पासवर्ड देना पड़ेगा. What happened if forget the password and is there in NG? नहीं. There is no way to recover the passwords. To recover the password. अगर आप भूल जाते हैं तो आपको, क्योंकि देखिए क्या आपको ये पता है कि सिस्टम का लॉगिन बनता है? एनीबडी? जैसे आप अपने मोबाइल में क्या करते हो, पासवर्ड से प्रोटेक्ट करते हो, बट सिस्टम में लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड बनते हैं, ये पता है सबको. यूजर्स बनते हैं, पासवर्ड्स बनते हैं. एनीबडी लाइक ऐसा तो नहीं किसी को नहीं पता है कि पासवर्ड और यूजर और पासवर्ड बनते हैं? आंसर दो. I don't know you what is your name because here it is an anonymous strangers. So I don't know your name, but you are asking the question, if I forgot the password to the Word document, then is there any way to recover it? So मैं उसी का आंसर दे रही हूँ आपको कि if you forget the password and you logged through the user, क्योंकि दो टाइप के यूजर्स होते हैं सिस्टम में, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में जब भी आप यूजर आईडी और पासवर्ड बनाते हो तो दो टाइप के यूजर होते हैं, एक होता है आपका एडमिन और एक होता है यूजर, स्टैंडर्ड यूजर। एडमिन के पास सारे राइट्स रहते हैं बट स्टैंडर्ड यूजर के पास सारे राइट्स नहीं रहते हैं। ओके, तो अगर आप एडमिन से लॉगिन हो, अगर आप नेटवर्क पे काम कर रहे हो और एडमिन से लॉगिन हो, सपोज यू आर लॉग्ड विद एडमिन, देन देयर इज अ ऑप्शन, अगर आप पासवर्ड भूल गए तो फिर आपको रिकवर करने का ऑप्शन वहीं से ही मिलेगा। बट पासवर्ड टू रिकवर के लिए आपको जो है कुछ सीडीज वगैरह के ऑप्शन आते हैं, कोई सीडी मिलती है रिकवरी करने की, डॉक्यूमेंट रिकवरी की, वो एडमिन से ही चलेगी, यूजर से नहीं चलेगी। इज इट समझ आ रहा है सौमिक? यू लाइक यू नो ना, एडमिन यूजर के पासवर्ड बनते हैं। आप कंट्रोल पैनल में जाके चेक करिए, सी कंट्रोल, in a control panel there is an option of users and password, credential manager, window credential, यहाँ पे बैकअप वगैरह का ऑप्शन होता है ना। अब ये तो विंडो क्रेडेंशियल से जो पासवर्ड्स वगैरह सेव किए, अब यहाँ पे एक और ऑप्शन होता है यूजर्स एंड पासवर्ड्स का, दिस वन यूजर अकाउंट। अब यूजर अकाउंट प्रेजेंटली आई एम द एडमिन ऑफ माय सिस्टम, but I can create another account of which act as add a new user in PC setting. अब जब मैं यूजर बनाऊंगी ना तो फिर यहाँ पे ऐड अकाउंट और उसके राइट्स पूछेगा कि कैसे राइट्स देने हैं आप। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल और नहीं तो फिर आप इसको ईमेल आईडी से कॉन्फ़िगर करें, ऐड अकाउंट, क्योंकि मेरा रजिस्टर्ड है ना, लाइक आई एम हैविंग द रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस, तो ये कंप्लीटली क्या करेगा, ईमेल आईडी से रजिस्टर्ड लेता है। This is also not a Microsoft account. है ना, और उसके बाद इनके राइट्स फिक्स कर, ये चेंज अकाउंट टाइप स्टैंडर्ड यूजर बनाना है या एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर, दो टाइप के यूजर होते हैं, इधर स्टैंडर्ड यूजर या एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर। इज इट? एंड अगर रिमूव करना है तो यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन है आपका रिमूव करने का, मैंने रिमूव कर दिया बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट एनीबडी, मुझे दूसरा यूजर नहीं चाहिए था। इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? No, there is no like way to recover, only administrator can run the recovery software, तभी आप रिकवर कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज नहीं। सेम थिंग एक्सेल के साथ भी होता है, एक्सेल की भी कुछ एक फाइल वो आती है, एग्जीक्यूटेबल फाइल्स आती हैं जिसको रन करके आप पासवर्ड जो है रिट्रीव कर सकते हैं। ओके ओके, सो आई एम मूविंग अहेड, नेक्स्ट मैं फीचर बताने जा रही हूँ। नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज, ये एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है कंपेयर का। नाउ व्हाट इज कंपेयर? कंपेयर एज द नेम सजेस्ट, दो वर्जन को आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो, दो वर्जन, और कंबाइन मतलब दोनों को कंबाइन कर सकते हो। तो क्या कंपेयर करेंगे? डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट। नाउ सपोज, अब ये वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट दो कैसे होंगे, एक ही तो है मेरे पास, तो दो कैसे बन सकते हैं? नहीं, दो बन सकते हैं। कैसे? इसको ध्यान से समझना है ना, ध्यान से समझना। मैं इसको सेव कर रही हूं दूसरे नाम से। ओके, ये मैं बैच के नाम से डॉक्यूमेंट में सेव कर रही हूँ, कोई पासवर्ड नहीं ले रही हूँ, तो मैं यहाँ से पासवर्ड भी हटा देती, ये पासवर्ड नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, बिना पासवर्ड के मैं इसको सेव कर, ठीक। और एक तरीका और है, आई शुड वो भी बता देती हूँ, दैट इज व्हाट, कि मैं यहाँ पे अपने डेस्कटॉप पे एक फोल्डर बनाती हूँ, राइट, CMA 2025 एंड एवरीबडी नोज कि एक फोल्डर बना लिया एंड आई एम सेविंग हियर द CMA बैच 25 वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट बना रही हूँ, सेव कर रही हूँ। क्लोज करके दिखा देती हूँ पहले। सी हियर इज द CMA 2025, एक ही फाइल है, तो मुझे कंपेयर करने के लिए तो दो फाइल चाहिए रहती है ना, दो फाइल कम चाहिए रहती है। तो समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि जब आप वर्ड की फाइल खोलते हो ना, यहाँ पे जब वर्ड की फाइल आपने, अब ये आपने नहीं खोली, किसी और ने खोली और उसको क्या किया, उसने एडिट कर दिया। अब इतना सारा एडिट कर दिया, यू कैन नॉट टेक द जजमेंट कि हाउ मच ही और शी एडिटेड, बिकॉज सी लॉट्स ऑफ पैराग्राफ्स आर देयर, 100 पेजेस का कोई डॉक्यूमेंट। सो हाउ यू कैन ट्रेस आउट कि कहाँ एडिट किया है? ईदर यू शुड यूज द ट्रैक चेंजेस और you don't want to change in the original document, then use this option. आप चाहते हो original document में वो कुछ ना करे, so use this option. More, there is a option. This is known as backstage view. इस backstage view में आपको एक option मिलेगा save a backup copy. See, here is a option of save a backup copy. Under save, here. Always create the backup copy. अभी बैकअप कॉपी कब बनेगी? अभी तो नहीं बन रही है, देखो अभी भी आप देखोगे तो मेरे पास एक ही डॉक्यूमेंट, बट अगर मैंने द मोमेंट आई एडिटेड दिस, मैंने जैसे ही इसमें कुछ एडिट किया, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर मैंने एडिट कर दिया, है ना, मैंने एडिट किया एंड द मोमेंट आई प्रेस Ctrl+S, अभी भी देखो वहां एक ही डॉक्यूमेंट है, यहाँ एक ही है, बट द मोमेंट आई प्रेस Ctrl+S, देन इट विल क्रिएट अ बैकअप कॉपी। अभी यहाँ पे एक बैकअप कॉपी बन जाएगी। आई क्लोज इट, वेट अ मिनट, हाँ आई शुड चेक। ओके, ये मेरा ड्राइव है इसलिए वहां नहीं बना रहा है, तो मैं इसको यहाँ से बाहर कर देती हूँ, and I should create a one new folder, 925, है ना। अब इसमें सेव कर देते हैं, इसको हटा देते हैं पहले, and I should save it. Where I should save it? See, Kavita, because see, at that time I saved it in a drive, so drive में कभी भी कॉपी नहीं बनती है। Then I'm saving it, CMA batch 25. Now it is clear. Okay, now somebody open my document from here. किसी ने मेरा डॉक्यूमेंट यहाँ से खोल लिया और उसने यहाँ पर कुछ चेंजेस कर दिए। Ctrl+S. Now please check. Two documents are there. One is backup copy and second one is CMA batch. So this is the original document and this is the revised document जिसमें आपने changes किया. Now you want to compare it with original. So here is the option of review, then compare and compare. Now original document, where is your original document? First you should close it, okay? एक पहले close कर दीजिए and then file new. Now you can compare. compare. Where is your original document? Then original is C : Kavita / online. And this is your original. Okay, and then revise. This is your revised. And now you can compare it. See, देखो आप कंपेयर करके बता रहा है ना आपको. शो द सोर्स डॉक्यूमेंट. इसको आप क्या करो, यहां से शो कर लीजिए. शो बोथ, दोनों दिखाए. So this is the way how you can compare the document original with revised. ये देखें, ओरिजिनल और रिवाइज्ड. ओरिजिनल में ये चेंजेस नहीं थे, रिवाइज्ड में ये चेंजेस है. और कंपेयर करने के बाद उसने उसको रेड में हाईलाइट कर दिया कि दिस चेंजेस इज मेड बाय द सम. सी, ये लिखा हुआ. इज इट क्लियर? इज द कंपैरिजन इज क्लियर? कंपेयर कैसे करते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट को, ये सब आपको बहुत ज्यादा काम आने वाला है. रीजन, बिकॉज यू आर लीगल पर्सन, कॉस्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटेंट, सीए में, और आपको डॉक्यूमेंट्स की सिक्योरिटी इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू पीपल. सिक्योरिटी इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. इज इट? Is it clear? For those students who have the laptops right now, do the practice now. साथ में चले, and if you have some problem, then I'll give you the clarification. Are you doing? Because I instruct in the very beginning, in the first session, I instruct, please keep your laptops with you, or one notebook and pen besides you, so that you can make the notes. Because definitely in the live classes, the sessions are very fast. जल्दी जल्दी बताना पड़ता है, but बहुत जल्दी भी तो नहीं मैं बता रही हूँ. I am like very slow as comparatively. Is it clear, Soumik? Very good. Very good. So I'm appreciated your efforts, because so many students are concentrated on the class and they are continuously answer me, or they are continuously asking something if they feel some problem. Okay, very good, Raja. Fine. So next is after comparison and protection, there is an option of view. How many views are there in a Word? There are 5 views. Outline, draft, web layout, read mode. For example, you are having this document. Okay, now I don't want to compare, and I want to reject these changes. Now, this is a document I am having. By default, you can check the view is print layout. This is known as a print layout because this is showing you the margin. But you want to know it should be in a read mode. हमें margin और ये सब नहीं देखना है. So you should take the read. Okay. Then there is an option of web layout. This is a very good option. You know, sometimes क्या होता है? You want to send this document to somebody else, but they don't have the Word. उनके पास तो Word है ही नहीं. MS Office ही नहीं है. Then either you can send it in a PDF format, I told you earlier, or you can send it in a HTML format. मतलब आप इसको इंटरनेट पे जो खुल जाती है फाइल वो बना दो, और वो उसमें एडिट भी नहीं कर पाएगा. So you should first change to the web layout, and then you should save it. Save as, and then Here is HTML web layout. Here is the option of web layout. अब आप क्या करो, इसको वेब पेज में सेव कर दो. वेब पेज में सेव कर दो. टाइटल चाहो तो चेंज टाइटल में जाके सीए में रिपोर्ट करके भी देख सकते हो. देन ओके. ओके, एंड देयर इज अ ऑप्शन ऑफ सेव. और आप चाहे तो इसका डॉक्यूमेंट का नाम कुछ और दे सकते हैं. देन सेव इट. कहाँ सेव किया? डॉक्यूमेंट्स. ओके, नाउ जस्ट क्लोज इट. क्लोज इट. गो टू द डॉक्यूमेंट. गो टू द डॉक्यूमेंट. है ना ये डॉक्यूमेंट. नाउ यू कैन चेक कि अब ये जो फाइल है ना आपकी डॉक्यूमेंट्स में, ये वाली जो फाइल है रिपोर्ट वाली, ये आपका HTML फॉर्मेट है. ये देखो. नाउ देयर इज नो नीड टू इंस्टॉल द MS वर्ड. अगर सपोज यू आर गेटिंग दिस फाइल, तो ये तो इंटरनेट से ही खुल जाएगी ना. आपके पास गूगल होगा या ब्राउजर कोई भी होगा तो ब्राउजर से ही खुल जाएगी. नो नीड टू ओपन इट विथ वर्ड. वर्ड में खोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So either in a PDF format or you can save it in a HTML format. So आप ब्राउजर आपका सपोर्ट कर लेगा इस फाइल को. बट अगर वर्ड देंगे, वर्ड में फाइल सेंड करेंगे तो यू शुड हैव द वर्ड इंस्टॉल्ड. एंड फिर वही वर्जन्स का प्रॉब्लम आता है, लोअर वर्जन्स और हायर वर्जन्स. इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग इट इन अ हायर वर्जन, देन यू कैन नॉट सेंड इट इन अ टू द पर्सन हु हैव द लोअर वर्जन. फॉर दैट यू नीड टू सेव इट अगेन. वो भी बता रही हूँ कैसे सेव करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? HTML फॉर्मेट समझ में आया? Is that clear? Is that clear? Tell me. I'm waiting for questions. At least you should reply. Is it clear or not? Yes or no? So that I can move for the next feature. Okay. Thank you, Amit. Thank you. Thank you so much. So web layout complete. And basically it is used to send the document through the internet. Because Word, Excel, PowerPoint, MS Office have a one issue. MS Office is not an open source document. Open source का मतलब होता है ये free नहीं है. Open source is not a free. Then open source is a chargeable. Open source जो नहीं होता है वो chargeable होता है. Like you have to pay subscription. And suppose somebody doesn't want to pay the subscription. मुझे subscription नहीं देना, मुझे pay नहीं करना है. तो मैं MS Office तो install कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ क्योंकि MS Office तो license software है. तो फिर आप कैसे open करेंगे? तो उसके लिए आप जिसके पास लाइसेंस नहीं है तो उसको आप कैसे सेंड कर दीजिए. इधर PDF बिकॉज दैट इज ओपन सोर्स, और HTML फॉर्मेट में सेव करके सेंड कर दीजिए. बिकॉज HTML के लिए ब्राउजर चाहिए रहता है. एवरीबडी हैव द इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, तो सबके पास होता है क्योंकि HTML फॉर्मेट ब्राउजर पे ओपन होता है. ब्राउजर इज सपोर्टेड HTML फॉर्मेट. ओके, इज इट like the student who is asking, ma'am, repeat it again. So are you getting properly? समझ आया क्या बताया? Please answer me fast. Come on, fast. Okay. So I assume that everybody understood. Okay. So next feature I am moving, that is how you can save it in the previous old version. Because see, still the problems are there. Suppose I am having this document. मेरे पास ये जो document है ना word का, है ना? If you check, then the extension is .docx. The extension is .docx. अगर आप इसको check करेंगे ना तो इसका extension क्या है? .docx. And suppose the person to whom you are sending the document have the older version, मतलब उसके पास कौन सा version है? Old version है. Old version means 97, 2000 और 2003. Still somebodies are using old versions. कुछ लोग अभी भी use करते. They have old version. In old version extension what .doc, then your document will not get open. क्योंकि old नया version old में नहीं खुलता है, but new old version new में open हो जाता है. This is the like default setting. क्योंकि old है तो new में तो खुल ही जाएगा. But new old में कैसे possible है? It's not possible. In that case, the problem is, अब आप उसको ये document send नहीं कर सकते because they don't have the newer version. In that case, you should save it as, पहले तो इसका normal view कर लेते हैं. You should save it as, when जब आपको whenever you want to create the copy of the document, then use the save as. Then there is an option of 97 to 2003 doc and save it. Now your document is converted into older version. अब आप देखो आपका जो document है वो old version में हो गया, convert हो गया. .doc. Now everybody can open without checking they have old version or new version. They have old version or new version. So they can open your document because you send it in a 97 to 2003. But make sure the features you used in your document, the features of latest version is not there. अगर आप latest feature use करोगे तो definitely वो आप feature उसमें open नहीं होंगे, rest document will be open. Is it clear? क्या समझ आया? Old version and new version is what? Is it clear? What is old version? What is a new version? These are the important things, you know. Should I move on the next feature? Repeat, how can we open a new version? See, suppose you are having the MS Office new version. Word, Excel, PowerPoint सब आपका MS Office नया version है. नया version मतलब 2007, 10, 13, 16, 21 and 365. कोई भी version है. So whenever you saved your document, by default it takes the extension .docx. By default it takes the extension what .docx. Okay, जो अभी मैंने बताया था. जब भी आप कोई वर्ड का डॉक्यूमेंट सेव करते हो, है ना, तो ये कौन से वाले उसमें एक्सटेंशन में जाके सेव होता है? .docx में जाके सेव होता है. किसमें सेव होता है? .docx में. Now the problem is the companion to whom you want to send your document. Your companion to whom you want to send your document does not have the newer version. क्योंकि न्यूअर वर्जन में अब लाइसेंस की बहुत जरूरत है. पुराने वर्जन फिर भी कहीं से कॉपी हो जाते थे या पायरेटेड वर्जन यूज कर लेते थे. अब पॉसिबल ही नहीं. नाउ इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू इंस्टॉल द पायरेटेड कॉपी ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर क्योंकि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट रेस्ट्रिक्ट कर दी है. बट ओल्डर वर्जन किसी के पास अगर पहले से ही हो, पायरेटेड हो, इंस्टॉल्ड हो तो चलेगा, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज I saved my document in the newer version क्योंकि मेरे पास तो नया वर्जन है. I saved it in the newer version, but they don't have the newer version, so they cannot open my document which is saved in the newer version. So first you should convert your document in the older version. अब कैसे convert करोगे वो भी देख लो. To convert your document in the older version, file and use the save as option. In a save as, there is an option of 97 to 2003. You should save it in the 97 to 2003 so that वो आपकी फाइल को ओपन कर पाएगा, otherwise नहीं ओपन कर पाएगा. In the moment you save it in a 97 to 2003, your title, in the title bar, the compatibility mode will be there. Compatibility mode will be there. अपने आप क्या आ जाएगा? Compatibility mode. In a compatibility mode, new options of the latest version. जितने भी नए फीचर्स हैं वो नहीं चलेंगे. Is it clear? जितने भी नए फीचर्स हैं वो नहीं चलेंगे. Okay. So this is the compatibility mode. Now please tell me, is it clear? समझ में आ गया? Answer please, because student asking how can we open in a new version? If you have the older version, then it can open in the newer version. But if you have the newer version, then you cannot open in the older version. Before that, you should save it in a जब आप सेंड करने के पहले जिनके पास न्यूअर वर्जन है उसको सेंड करने के पहले उसको 97 से 2003 में पहले सेव करना पड़ेगा. तभी आप सामने वाले को सेंड करोगे .doc वाली फाइल, so that he can open in the older version. Is it? क्या इतना समझ आ रहा है? Okay, Vinay. Thank you so much. Thanks for the replying. Okay. Now next. I'm moving to the next feature. मैं ये सारे डॉक्यूमेंट क्लोज कर रही हूँ. अब मैं एक नया फीचर बता रही हूँ आपको. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर. दैट रिड्यूस योर वर्किंग आवर्स. वो आपके वर्किंग आवर्स को कम कर देगा. जो काम आप 1 घंटे में करते हो वो आपका 5 मिनट में हो जाएगा अगर आप इस फीचर को यूज करना आता है तो. दैट इज मैक्रो. दैट इज मैक्रो है ना. बिफोर दैट इन फीचर्स को भी हम देखेंगे है ना. मैक्रो. नाउ मैक्रोज आर व्हाट? मैक्रोज आर, देखो मेरा टाइम कैसे बचता है आप बताइए. मुझे मेरा टाइम बचाना है तो क्या करूंगी? आई शुड रिकॉर्ड माई लेक्चर है ना. एंड देन आई शुड प्रोवाइड माई लेक्चर एवरी डे to the every student, whether it is CMA, whether it is like any other student. So मैं क्या करूंगी? अपने रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर दे दूंगी तो मेरा टाइम सेव हो जाएगा ना. Once I record the lecture, then only मुझे आपको रिकॉर्डेड फाइल देनी है. That's it बस. But this is the live class, so that's why I used to say please recorded lecture में एक प्रॉब्लम होती है, बता सकते हैं क्या? What is the problem? In the recorded lecture you cannot raise the query in the live mode ना. आप live mode में query नहीं पूछ सकते उनसे क्योंकि lecture recorded है. So that's why I used to pressurize you कि आप इस क्लास को ज्वाइन करें. कुछ बच्चे बोल रहे हैं मैम रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस देख लेंगे. See, recorded classes is for your help. That will gives you the brush up at the time of exam. वो brush up दे देगा आपको एग्जाम के टाइम पे. बट अगर आपको लाइव सीखना है so you should join the live classes. Thanks to your institute. Institute आपके लिए लाइव क्लासेस अरेंज करती है तो आप तो उसको थैंक्स करो ना कि इंस्टीट्यूट लाइव क्लासेस अरेंज करती है. बट उसके बाद भी एवरीबडी लाइक सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर सेइंग मैम हम रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर सुन लेंगे चलेगा. I don't have any problem, you can listen. But the problem is you cannot raise the query in the while recorded lectures na, only you can raise the query in the live classes. Okay, now come to the point. In a word, what is macro? Macros are just like a recording a song and replaying it again and again, like my lecture. अब आपको ब्रश अप चाहिए तो आप क्या करोगे, मेरी क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग सुन लोगे. So, but sometimes you know same things I want in every report. अब मैंने कुछ एक रिपोर्ट बनानी है, ये एक रिपोर्ट बना रही हूं मैं, ठीक है. अब इस रिपोर्ट में मुझे क्या करना पड़ता है, बैलेंस शीट बनानी पड़ती है. अब बैलेंस शीट हर रिपोर्ट में बार बार बनानी पड़ती है, या तो मैं कॉपी पेस्ट यूज करूं, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉपी पेस्ट, बिकॉज सी इन द ऑडिट द वन रूल इज देयर, copy paste is prohibited because copy paste creates a lot of problem. बहुत सारी problems copy paste के कारण आती है. So to avoid that kind of problem, use the macro to record and replay it again. अब recording कैसे चालू होगी, एक चीज और समझ लो. When you record the lecture or when you record something you perform through the keyboard, आपने कीबोर्ड से कुछ टाइप किया, आपने रिकॉर्ड कर लिया, तो क्या कंप्यूटर में कोई रिकॉर्डिंग का सिस्टम है क्या? इट्स नॉट अ रिकॉर्डर ना, वर्ड इज नॉट अ रिकॉर्डर. वर्ड इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर which is for the document writing. So whatever you perform through the, whatever action you perform through the keyboard, it will write the code for that. ये क्या करेगा, उसके लिए कोडिंग लिख देगा. And that coding is in a Visual Basic language. कौन सी लैंग्वेज में कोडिंग लिखी जाती है, विजुअल बेसिक लैंग्वेज में. बिलीव मी, so many प्रोफेशनल्स लर्न द वीबी. कुछ प्रोफेशनल्स क्या करते हैं, वीबी सीख लेते हैं और अपने मैक्रो लिख देते हैं. उससे क्या होता है, उनका टाइम बहुत सेव हो जाता है. ओके, सो व्हाइल रिकॉर्डिंग वर्ड विल राइट द वीबी कोड, ऑटोमेटिकली लिख लेगा, है ना, क्योंकि एवरीथिंग इज डिपेंड अपॉन द कोडिंग. वॉट एवर द सॉफ्टवेयर वी आर यूजिंग, एवरीथिंग इज डिपेंड अपॉन द कोडिंग. नाउ record macro. Now record macro, just assign the name, suppose BS. And please, while assigning the name, take care of these rules. You cannot assign the name which starts from number. You cannot assign the name which contains spaces. You cannot assign the name which contains specified characters. 3 rules. Now keyboard. अब कीबोर्ड में जाते हैं, है ना, यहाँ पे हमने रिकॉर्डिंग करा, रिकॉर्ड मैक्रो, कीबोर्ड. लेकिन बिफोर दैट यू शुड लर्न दिस थिंग. अब ये क्या है, बाय डिफॉल्ट ये इसके आपका मैक्रो कहाँ स्टोर कर लेगा, normal.dotm में. अब ये dotm क्या होता है, ये भी समझना पड़ेगा. dot actually it's an extension of template. dot is an extension of template, word template. Now what is a template? Pre-formatted document is known as a template. Pre-formatted document is known as a template. तो by default जब भी हम वर्ड खोलते हैं, फाइल देन न्यू, so that's mean this is a template created by Word. वर्ड ने एक टेम्पलेट बना के दे दिए. This is the blank, इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, blank document. So you can create your own template also. But first of all, we will learn the macro, then we will learn how can we create the template. So macro, record macro. By default, it will save in the normal.dotm, that is the template. जो blank जहाँ document बना हुआ है उसी में ये save कर देगा. So that this macro will be available in every book, every Word document. And then press OK. Now, अब यहाँ से आपने सपोज किया, अपना नाम लिख दिया. And you stop recording, है ना. अब आपने स्टॉप कर दी रिकॉर्डिंग. अब आप कहीं पर भी जाके ये मैक्रो चलाते हैं. मैक्रो कैसे दिखता है, व्यू मैक्रो, दिस इज द मैक्रो BS. देन आपका देखें यहाँ पे व्यू मैक्रो, इज इट? समझ आया मैक्रो क्या होता है? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ना, बिकॉज सी आई वांट द मैक्रो, ये लास्ट फीचर है, फिर थोड़ा सा और भी आपका जो है छोटे 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 से फीचर बचे। इज द मैक्रो इज क्लियर और नॉट? मैक्रो समझ आया कि नहीं बताएं? टेल मी। आंसर मी राजा, विनीत, सारिका, प्लीज आंसर द क्वेश्चन। मैक्रो। उज्जवल, इज इट? मैक्रो समझ आया क्या? ओके, नाउ थैंक यू सौबिक। Now I want to create a macro which insert the balance sheet format every time, so that मेरा time बच जाएगा। देखिए, suppose I want to create here the balance sheet format, then I told you how you can create the balance sheet format, insert, then ये आप ऐसे table insert करते हो, है ना, and then liabilities, then amount, then assets and amount, फिर आप एक ऊपर रो डालते हो, insert row above, है ना, and then you merge it, और यहाँ आपने टाइप कर दिया बैलेंस शीट एज ऑन 31 मार्च 2025 एंड सेंटर अलाइनमेंट कर दिया। इतना टाइम लगा। फिर आप न्यू में जाते हो, फिर आप यहाँ पे बैलेंस शीट का फॉर्मेट बनाते हो, तो फिर से आप उतना टाइम लोगे, या तो उधर से कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे, वो भी टाइम लेगा आपका कॉपी पेस्ट, एंड एज पर द रूल द कॉपी पेस्ट इज prohibited because copy paste creates a lots of problem. So instead of that क्या करिए, while creating the balance sheet first time, while creating the balance sheet first time, है ना, ये मैं हटा रही हूँ पूरा, and I should delete the table. While creating the balance sheet first time, you should start recording. सबसे पहले तो recording start कर दीजिए, balance sheet, and then इसकी एक शॉर्टकट की प्रोवाइड कर दीजिए। The shortcut key is Control-7 and assign. The shortcut key for to insert the balance sheet format is Control-7, then close. Now recording is going on. Then it will record. मेरी आवाज नहीं रिकॉर्ड करेगा, it will record कि आप क्या क्या कर रहे हैं। सपोज आपने ये 4 कॉलम डाल दिए, and you typed here liabilities, asset, recording is going on, but it is not recording my, ये मेरा आवाज नहीं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है, ये क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है, मैं कीबोर्ड के थ्रू क्या कर रही हूँ, अमाउंट, and then I should insert a row above, and it should be merged, then center alignment, balance sheet as on 31st March 2025. ओके, अभी भी रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है। फिर मैं क्या करती हूँ, यहां पर लास्ट में एक फॉर्मूला डाल देती हूँ, फॉर्मूला सम अबो, है ना, मैंने फॉर्मूला भी डाल दिया। ओके, नाउ आई क्रिएटेड द बैलेंस शीट, और अब क्या करिएगा, इन अ व्यू देयर इज ऑप्शन ऑफ स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग, स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग। Now, when I want to create a new document and I also want to insert the balance sheet, then Control F7. See, अपने आप आ गया। And suppose I insert here some figures. Then right click, update field. See, क्योंकि फॉर्मूला डाला हुआ था. Is it clear? How I recorded the format of the balance sheet and how I insert the balance sheet again and again. In the next new document also, I don't want to copy and paste. मुझे copy paste नहीं करना. Only control 7. See, the balance sheet format is there. So make sure कि आपको macro समझ में आ गया, because macro is a very important in a word. In a word, the one feature which is very much important. सारे features के से ऊपर एक ही feature है जो बहुत ज़्यादा important है. That is the macro. Is it clear? Macro, which is very important, you know, बहुत important है. So students, please answer me. Is it clear or not? So now you assign the shortcut key for the macro. But instead of that, you can, while creating the macro, there is an option. जब आप macro बनाते हैं ना, यहाँ पर देखिए एक option है. View, then macro, record macro. You can create the button also. Again मैं यहाँ पे बना रही हूँ TB, trial balance का format. Button. And then from here, just select this and add this button to the QFT. That is a quick access toolbar. यहाँ लिखा हुआ है QAT. And you can change the design of this button by clicking here the modify. I selected this design. Okay. Okay. And okay. Now recording is going on. Insert. Now particulars. Amount. Particulars. Amount. Then I can insert some headings also. Stock. Then here capital. Then purchases. Here the creditors. Then wages. There is reserves. Then salary. No, not salary. Cash. And here is sales. Then bank. Then machinery. Some common heads, huh? Then building. Last is debtors. Then at the end, you should insert a one formula for the total. Layout, formula, sum above. And same, use the copy formula and then paste, and here should be the total. Okay, now stop recording. Don't forget to stop recording. Stop recording. अब आप कहीं पे भी जाए न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट में, there is a one more button. ये रहा, ये आ गया. Then again in a new file, no need to copy paste. Directly you can save it. This is the recording and replaying in the Word, macros. And if you wish to write, like change, आप देखना चाहते हो इसने VB coding कैसे लिखी, then view, macro, then just DB and edit. See, this is the coding. ये आपने नहीं लिखा, it written by the Word itself. उसने खुद ही लिख लिया. This is the functionality available in Word. Word में ये option है. आपका जब भी आप कुछ मैक्रो रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, then it will write the VB code. Is it clear? Do it yourself. If some doubt will be in, then मैं इसको फिर से एक बार आपको बता दूंगी. Because tomorrow, from tomorrow, I am going to start the new software. Word is almost the complete. In the word, by half an hour ka thoda sa bacha hua hai, I'll complete it tomorrow. By tomorrow, then I'll start the Excel. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks for the patience listening. Yes, Swamik, it is a fantastic feature. Yes, very good. It is a fantastic feature in a word. सही है, बिल्कुल ये word perfect है. Fantastic. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye and take care. Have a nice day. Bye.